In this video, I'll show you how to find the URL link of any Instagram profile. So to do this, you need to head over to the Instagram application and then just click on your profile icon in the bottom right-hand side. Now in the top left, this is where you'll find your username. So you can see for my account, it's just Reese Toth. And it's important to make a note of this username as this is what we're going to be using for the URL. So once you know what the username is of the account that you want to get this URL from, you then need to head over to an internet browser and you just need to type in instagram.com/ and then you need to type in the username of the account. So for me, it's Reese Toth. I'm going to type that in and hit go. And now, as you can see, this will take me over to the profile of my Instagram account. And you can do this with any account you want. You just need to switch out the username in the URL section. And it's really as simple as that, guys. That's how you find your Instagram profile URL link. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments below and I'll see you in the next one.